You can increase your profit by up to 15% just by solving the moisture variability problem. Each year, aquafeed and pet food producers lose millions due to inconsistent moisture levels in their output. And with dryers using 50 to 60% of a plant's energy, every recipe change counts. With final product leaving the plant, steady quality means value. Skilled experts spend years mastering manual adjustments to keep the process just right. But it's reactive and costly. What if there was a solution once thought impossible? Meet Dryer Ace, your advanced control expert, the breakthrough in drying technology. ANDRITZ never stands still, bringing you patented technology that delivers real results. Designed with flexibility in mind, Dryer Ace works with all dryer brands. Its predictive technology anticipates dryer behavior and takes the best possible actions to keep you on target. It adjusts automatically, no human input needed. With real-time data and advanced cybersecurity, Dryer Ace keeps you informed and protected. In just 1 month, you will see the difference. The result? Higher throughput, reduced variability, and top-quality product. It cuts your energy costs by at least 10%, powering sustainability and profits together. Built on global success, now shaping the future of feed and biofuel. Dryer Ace, for those who never stand still. In the 90 seconds you've spent watching, we could have saved half of a ton of sub-optimized product. It's time to act. Let's talk.